The year is 2016. This song finished at number 6 on the Billboard Hot 100. This guy was president of the United States. I looked about like this, and this guy released this video. I was captivated, laser focused on getting myself in that seat, convinced that my YouTube channel would catapult me to the level of fame required to receive an Emirates first class ticket. 6.5 years later, I've just crossed the 400 subscriber threshold. Thank you, by the way. That means a lot. But for some reason, that's not enough to get Emirates' attention. So since the YouTube growth was slower than anticipated, I had to find another way to get myself on that plane. I'll explain exactly how I booked this $11,000 flight in a future video. It was not with $11,000. So without further ado, here is some real life footage of a kid living his dream. Rocking up to John F. Kennedy International Airport today. A travel dream comes true. I'll give you a hint to what it is. Okay, JFK is one of my favorite centurions, but we've got at least 2 other lounges to hit, so on to the next. The Emirates lounge is decent. The food is okay. For Emirates, I would expect a little better, but there's a nice buffet, good drink selection. This is champagne, which is I don't really like, but it looks cool and I hold it. I'm trying to save room for what's to come on this flight. One plus though is they do have the world's smallest Tabasco bottles. I feel like this is an occasion I have to dress up a little bit for. I guess that's a little better. This does not feel like real life. Bit of a chaotic boarding area, but that makes sense because it's a huge plane. Alright, they accepted the boarding pass. Here it is. First class, this is really happening. Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. Welcome back on board, Mr. Bishop. How are you doing today? There we go. Have a pleasant flight. My colleagues will
Thank you. I've already been brought pre-departure beverage, hot towel, dates, Arabic coffee, pajamas. I'm on cloud 9 and we're still on the ground. My very first Caviar with the 2012 Dom Perignon. It's expensive, it still doesn't taste good. Alright, let's try the Caviar. Mother of pearl spoon. Okay, just gonna put some of that. Some of that. Some of that. I guess we need some of this. I hope I don't have baby fish hatch inside me. That was kind of good. I I expected to dislike it, because I don't really like fish. But I guess eggs don't taste like chicken. And this plane has a bar on it. I got the roasted beef fillet as the main course. It looks pretty good, to be honest. But I guess I should take this opportunity to talk about something else that's come up. I've dreamt about this flight for like 5-6 years now, and it is pretty amazing, like the service and the food, and I mean, it's everything that I dreamt it would be, besides the airport experience. But I rode the subway to the airport today, and there were unhoused people everywhere on the New York subway, if you've ever been on the subway. I have been to slums in Mumbai and in Egypt, so it feels morally wrong, or at the very least raises a moral dilemma. That, you know, anyone would pay $11,000 for this, which is like low, when business class would get you there in the same shape. I mean, business class at the very most, which is still excessive. And I could have done this in economy for, I mean, I didn't pay, I paid with points, so I guess that, and the plane was gonna go there anyway, whether I booked a ticket or not. But I feel like that's a bad argument in general. So, it's just strange, sitting here 40,000 feet above the earth, going to Italy, being served like a king, knowing full well the condition that billions of people face, and that, you know, meeting an Uber driver from Ethiopia who hasn't been home to see his family in like 10 years, and an economy ticket could completely like change his life, like that. This feels like a waste, or like just plain wrong. But I expressed these concerns to the bartender at the lounge, and she said, just enjoy yourself. So maybe I should just do that for today, because I am living the dream right now. I'm living one of my dreams, and I'm very blessed to be in this seat at this moment. So maybe I should just be grateful. Anyways, this beef fillet is very nice. Okay, I'm changing in this bathroom, and I think the floors are heated. They're warm. morning. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. Now for landing on
You are very pleasant stay at Milan. And if you continue to your next destination, we wish you a safe onward journey.
I'm on a plane. Well, I've been looking forward to this for a long time, and now it's coming to a close. I'm not fulfilled. It didn't fulfill me. That's weird. Kind of just want more, better. It was fun though. It made it something that was mythic and magical to me, tangible. So obviously that always takes a little bit of the magic out of it if you've experienced it. But it's not like I wish to have not flown this. It was still the best flight of my life. It's just weird after you've lived a dream. The boarding process was kind of crazy. And I did notice a lot of people in business or flying this felt like very entitled to push around me and stuff. But then I started feeling like pretentious, like, oh, they don't know that I'm in first class. And I didn't like that I was feeling like that. So those are my findings. Do with this information what you will. And that's it. First off the plane.